create a poll on your WhatsApp message, open any person chat, then you can see this icon, press on this icon, then here you can see the poll option. Just press on poll. Now as the choice, for example, which mobile you like most, and I am adding a iPhone, Samsung, Oppo, OnePlus and etc, and just press on send. Now it's sent like that. And let's check the other side. Open the other side, then you can see it's shown like that. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.